Teams. Archiving and restoring teams. You might have a team that you no longer use that you want to archive to stop members from changing things within the team. From Teams, click on the cogwheel and then click on Manage Teams. Scroll down to find the team you'd like to archive, and in the right, click on the 3 ellipses. Click on Archive Team and then make sure you tick the Make the SharePoint site read-only for team members if you don't want members to be able to alter files. Click on Archive and the team will archive. You'll see the team will disappear, and if I click back, I can no longer find that team in my Teams home screen. It isn't in the hidden teams either, it has completely disappeared. If I find I still need to access the team, I can click on the cog and go to Manage Teams again. And then I'll find the team in my archived teams. Here I can access it, or if I want to restore it, I can go to the 3 ellipses and click on Restore Team. When I click here and go back to my home screen, I'll find that the team doesn't appear in my normal teams but has appeared as a hidden team. I can then unhide it if I wish.